coast along. But like it or not, some things they just always go wrong. Sometimes people build you up so that they can knock you down. Sometimes you are there so they can have someone around. Perhaps you receive invitations for tea. Perhaps you will smile and you make them all smile. Or maybe you join them cause it just had to be. Perhaps you forget that you forgot for a while. Birds of a feather are flocking outside. 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 whippets they dance, the curlicue dance, pulses and ringing and campfire chants, ritual drumming. Although at first glance thought you could run, but you won't take the chance. It's not an experience unless they can bring someone along. Pulled out the ground and they pulled out the ground, broke out the ground and they shut out and shine. Birds of a feather are flocking outside. Birds of a feather are flocking outside. Birds of a feather are flocking outside.